how to make more sales on Etsy using ads. And I've been on Etsy now for almost 10 years. I've tried lots of different theories with ads, and I found one that's pretty simple, and I really don't deviate much from it. But I have tried a few different techniques, and I'm going to share them with you so that it takes all the guesswork out of how do I really do this? So let's just get right down to it. I pull out Etsy ads $1 a day on my entire shop. You're going to want to do that for at least a month, if not 2 months, but probably even 3 months. And the reason you're going to do this is you can go back through your ad analytics and look at what keywords ranked the best for search. Now, this is going to really help you with your SEO on all of your items because it's going to tell you that those specific words were actually what clicked over from that ad. So now you're going to want to take that word or words and add those to your titles and tags and descriptions on those highest ranking words. And that right there is going to be massive. I just can't emphasize that enough. So once you've done that for, let's just say 3 months, I know I've done that, you can take the items that get the most search and sales from ads and just keep those on ad for $1 a day forever. I mean, you don't ever have to really adjust it. Now, Etsy's gone through some changes with their ad platform over the years. I mean, at one point, oh my word, we were pulling our hair out literally because we had to learn how to actually set up ads for Google and Etsy, and it was just a big hairy mess. And then they took it all away, and now they run the back end of the ads, and we just choose how much we want to pay per day for ads. So sometimes I'll play around with increasing how much I spend on ads, like $2 a day, $3 a day. At one point, I even did $10 a day to see if I was going to get more ads revenue or more revenue from the ads. That wasn't the case. So the more you spend doesn't necessarily mean that's the more you're going to get. And I'm going to be quite honest, my ads on Etsy in both of my shops really don't do that well. And here's why. I have 2 Etsy shops that have a smattering of product. I mean, we're not just a real specific pillow shop or sign shop, which would really help. If you niche it down and you just are on this straight and narrow path, your ads are going to be amazing because your keywords are going to be great for your SEO and all that. Like, there's just something to it. And people keep telling us that time and time again. But I'm over there like, oh, I'm so creative and I'm making this and I'm making that and I'm buying vintage, and we've got just a whole ton of stuff going on. So I've made it quite challenging, which makes it again challenging for the ads. And a lot more work because then once I do find those keywords, I have to go put them in those listings that it pertains to. So maybe not do it quite how I've done it. I would probably niche it down into something very specific and then run ads $1 a day, and you're going to make money. I already know that, but it's depending on how much money you're going to make is how much you're willing to spend time looking at your analytics and tweaking those titles, tags, and descriptions so that it gets those keywords in there. I learned this trick from somebody on YouTube that was actually selling a course on Etsy ads. And I'm like, I'm in. I want to know more. And come to find out, it's actually a super easy technique. And I paid money to learn that. But here I am sharing that for free only because I think there is more to Etsy ads. I mean, you could probably dig in a little bit more. I'm not really actually for sure because I haven't with the newer version of Etsy ads. And so I just kind of keep things super simple and easy. And I just recommend that for everybody because I feel like there's so much coming at us and things that we should be doing that I like to keep things pretty streamlined and just keep going. So If you found that to be helpful, let me know. And if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe because we'll give you more honest Etsy advice.